Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Anna. Today we're gonna be doing a clean with me video. My beauty room looks like a whole mess. So it's Sunday, so I figured it would be just a good time to clean this mess. When cleaning my room, first thing I like to do is just go ahead and kind of just spread out all the new PR I've gotten and that I've already shown you guys, so I can kind of like, I guess, separate whatever is skincare, makeup, and then separate again in between what kind of products they are, so I can easily put them away in my little system that I have got going on here. I was just trying to put everything away from that space because it was getting in my way for me to just put all the new products in the drawers. But yeah, that's what I like to do first, so just I can get all the products in their rightful place. I love this system that I got going on. It's really helpful because I literally know where everything is, and if I want to find it, I know where to go. I later found another box that was full of PR stuff as well, so I did the same thing, just kind of threw them on the ground, started like just putting everything where it belongs. And then Alana of course found the face mask that a brand had sent me, and she's so good at putting on her face mask whenever we are outside, that even inside when she sits, when she's like, "Mom, put it on," so you can see when she's asking me to put it on her, so I did. Once I've put all the new products away, I like to just kind of start gathering all the boxes and to put them in one place, just to make sure they have like all recycle and trash together. And then I just move back all the furniture to where it belongs. Anna really likes to lay under this desk. I have no idea why, but anyway, now it's time for me to just put away all the products that I actually use on my videos. I'm really bad at putting everything away once I'm done filming, that I just kind of let it fill my whole desk, and once it's all filled and I cannot fit anything else in there, that's when I clean. I should not do that, but I do. I really suck. And then the part that I really don't like is just bagging all the trash and recycle. These boxes sometimes are just so big that I need to cut them into pieces so I can really fit them into my trash bins, and just, you know, make sure that I'm putting recycle and trash in trash. Meanwhile, I was just watching a movie because, you know, it was taking me too long to do this. Finally done with all trash. It's time for me to just get it out of my beauty room, and now it's time to vacuum. It's so funny because I don't have any idea of why, but he's got like a vendetta going on with the vacuum. I don't know if it is the lights that bother him, but he always tries to catch it in some weird way. Anyway, you can see here in a little bit that Alana's gonna come, and then she's gonna kind of realize something, and then she's gonna go back to I don't know where, but you will see why she kind of left the room and then came back. And this is why. You can see her little toy vacuum. She went to get it. I don't know why it's so cute, but every single time that she sees us vacuuming, she has the need to go get her toy vacuum and just pretend that she is vacuuming with us and that she's helping. It's the cutest thing ever. It melts my heart, and just I can't. I can't. I also kind of clean my desk. My desk is usually the one part of my beauty room that doesn't really get that messy, so this is real quick. It's actually just like a few minutes, and that's basically it. And here's my room, completely clean. Everything has been put away. Everything feels clean and nice. My little filming area is ready to get messy again for the next videos I'm gonna be filming, but oh my gosh, looks so nice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.